Hello guys, so today we'll be looking at GBPUSD. That's what I'll be analyzing today. So make sure you stay tuned, and also make sure you press the subscribe button so you don't miss any analysis that we do. So this is GBPUSD forecast for the week. So I'll be checking where it's going to go. So checking all the different time frames, we're gonna start at looking at H1, drawing a line going down, so you can see where we are. Alright, so it's currently on a downtrend on our H1. So as you can see, squeezing to the downtrend. The trend is actually squeezing, as you can see in the chart. So since it's a downtrend, we're looking at all these lower lows and lower highs. Okay, and if we look at a higher time frame, I'm just gonna put different, bigger sections where it bounced. So this is where it bounced initially, so you can see where it was. Okay, we can see that this is a major support over there. It bounced there several times, so we put that a mark over there. I'll just put it in a different color so that you can see what's happening. All right, so that's the first bounce on that level. So we're on a major level for this week. All right, okay, and then there's another one too. Okay, it bounced again twice, so you can see it's really strong level over there. So it could initially be pushing up, or it could be creating a double top or head and shoulders. So if it's doing head and shoulders, it'll do as I've shown there. So I'll put another line to show another where it could actually touch and decide to go down, or it could break that level. So those are just the main levels where it's likely to go to. Okay, if we check it, we check this level too. These are the other levels I'll show you. It's very important to check all the levels where it hits a couple of times. Like over here, it actually created a double bottom, as you can see over here on the H1. So it did a double bottom on the major level support. So there's the neck for the double bottom. So it bounced there, and it could obviously, so my analysis shows that it's likely to push up obviously, but there's a likelihood that it could still push down a little bit before it goes up during that double bottom over there. So just make sure you don't just buy obviously now, just wait for it. It could go down there and then decide to go up. All right, as you can see on the analysis. So my prediction, it could likely go up. So remember, these are all predictions. It could obviously go. This is what I'm trading. I did this analysis during the week, and for some students of mine who wanted an analysis, I did the EURUSD, which was also moving down. So as you can see, this is going down, going up, as I said. So it could go on that yellow line, like straight up, or it could go down first and then go up. That's basically what this is. Two options, because we never obviously know where it's going, but I deal with high probability trades. So this is basic GBPUSD, my analysis. I hope we can see what's happening. So yeah, that's basically GBPUSD. Nothing to it except this. Just be mindful of this week, likely to finish pushing down and then completely go up. Right, so yeah, just be aware of those levels over there. And yeah, nothing to it. I'll be looking at this closely. You can just check how it goes yourself during the week. So the next analysis we're going to look at is EURUSD, which I did, as I said previously, for my students. I did it over there. Okay, but I'll just show you guys also how to do it. Okay, so we all eat. Okay, we actually made a good prediction for last week, so we had good amount of money. All right, so I'll start on this time frame. All right, so we can see it's doing higher highs and higher lows, as I'm showing over here. All right, so it's currently on an uptrend. All right, so as you can see, it's going right up, going there as well. Okay, it's obviously not perfect, but you can kind of see the higher highs and higher lows. So looking for uptrends. Obviously we can't buy, we have to see where it is currently, and then we're gonna execute accordingly. Okay, so make sure you don't just buy anytime. So we're gonna look at the key levels that we need to trade. All right, so looking at this time frame, H4, I'll look at D1. There you can see D1 currently is there, and it's going on a kind of like a consolidation on that level of an uptrend a bit. So when I say uptrend, I'm just saying it's higher highs and higher lows for those who don't know. Obviously, it can always change direction, but we're looking at the price action currently. Right. So as you can see, it touched at the top, and then it touched at the bottom. This is a higher high and high low that I'm highlighting, and then it hits again at the top and bottom, and then it hits again at the top. So what is it likely to do? It's to go hit at the trend line again. Okay, sorry for that. That line, I shouldn't have put that, but it's fine. So it currently should come here, so that's why I had sold it for the week. Okay, so for those who saw my social media, I did update this, that it's a sell. I did it before and after. I showed it before it was a sell, and when it was a buy. So if you are obviously following me on my socials, then you'll see that this week I made a good prediction, and we did a lot of money. We made a lot of money, and obviously the students also made money. So currently it should go down there. I'll also show you how you can see with EURUSD that it's going there using supports. Okay, so which is what I call my areas of interest. Okay, I'll just show you how it actually goes over there, but you can see it's going down to that level, to that trend line. Okay, obviously if it decides to go up, we'll be ready for that, but currently I don't see any buys. Okay, and also don't sell. Okay, here's the key levels, here's support. I put equal distance, as you're gonna see what I mean. So it hits over there, so I'll put it hits over this area, and it hits on the next, so it obviously should hit on the next key level. Okay, so but you'll see it hits above, not directly on the area, as it's obviously an uptrend. So if you look there, it's hitting right on the top, kind of on the top of that area, not really inside. So there it could likely hit the top as well and decide to go up. So that's where obviously could be waiting for some buys. Yeah, currently that's just it. And then you can see it was going down over there. This is it's pretty simple to trade this one. Could have made money. Yeah, so no problems with this, as long as you saw the key levels and the downtrend that was currently happening over there, which is basically done by the consolidation. yeah, that's the analysis for EURUSD. As you can see, it's quite simple. I'll just put the possible buys, possible sells, and overs, so you can see where we're possibly buying. So at that area, possible buys, it could sell, as I said, but it's a strong level, so I'm expecting buys over there where I put the possible buys. Yeah, so yeah, I hope you understand what I mean and you can execute it accordingly. It's pretty simple.